Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm doing a black base today, and this is it's just a sample pot. It started off grey and I've added a little bit of black to it, and also from my last pour I added the scrapings, so it's quite dark now. So that is house paint. It is quite bubbly though, so I can't do anything about that. That's what happens sometimes when you buy mistints. This is just black. The make is Byron. I think it's Mars Black. Or it might just be called black, I don't know. But that's mixed with my untinted pouring medium, untinted gloss pouring medium. But I don't put any Jo Sonja Gloss Varnish into it. I just add a little bit of water to get it to the same consistency. These are my colours today. What I sometimes do when I'm thinking out colours, I just wipe my stirring stick onto a piece of paper towel and see what I think of the colours together. That's just what I do. We'll start with this one. This is TLP Mosh. It's a neon, hard to describe, it's a pale orange, but it gives a lovely glow. The neon range. This is another neon TLP. This one is Funk, neon violet, and this is Hustle, neon magenta. That might be a little bit thick. That's just water. I'll mix that up in a minute. And this one is another neon. This is Psych, neon teal, also TLP. It's one of the new ones. And then we go on to, this is Jo Sonja Aqua. Get that off the spoon before it drops into my paint. That's it. And this one is, it's Atelier and it's Cobalt Turquoise, but it's the semi-opaque one. You've got an opaque one, and the semi-opaque one is more expensive. I will put the exact title, what it says on the tube, in my description box. I didn't want just opaque, I wanted semi-opaque today. Let's just mix this one up a little bit. I'm working on a 14-inch MDF round today. Or it might be 15 inch, yeah, 15 inches. 15-inch MDF. That's better. Cell activators, I'll just move these out of the way. Just two today. Atelier Blue Black. And this is titanium white, equal parts of Amsterdam and Atelier. Hardly any left. Use it up today. Let's get messy.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an all good life. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. Moving on, seeing it all in a whole new light. Thinking I'm free from all the chains you've kept